How to manage your default notification settings. This video will walk you through how to manage default notification settings for your Everflow users. Note, default settings are only applicable for new network, partner, and advertiser users. Existing users are able to adjust their own notification settings, or you may contact the customer success team if you wish to adjust the default notification settings for existing users. To start, we will navigate to the Control Center and select Configuration, Default Notifications. If you do not see this menu, please contact your admin to allow you access first. There are 3 tabs on this page, which are labeled Network Employee, Partner User, and Advertiser User. Each tab governs the default notification settings for the respective user type. Let's review, starting with Network Employee. Network employees have the most configurations available as the owners of your Everflow instance. You have the option to allow in-app notifications, meaning on your Everflow instance, email, or both. Some notification types for network employees have the option to specify whether the user receives notifications associated with all accounts or managed partner or advertiser accounts only. Note, partner managers with limited access will not have this option. By default, they will only receive notifications related to their managed accounts. The notification types that do not have this option are not associated with specific advertiser or partner accounts, such as changes to offer status or when an offer level cap is reached. Clicking the pencil icon on the top right corner of each section will give you the option to bulk edit the notification types within each section as well. The configuration is saved in real time, and leaving the page will not abandon the changes you made. Moving on to the Partner User tab, Partner User notifications consist of 4 topics: Offers, Actions, Billing, and Network. Offers notifications are only sent to the partner if, at the time of the notification, they are approved on the offer and they have sent traffic to the offer in the past 7 days. Notifications regarding caps must be enabled under the Control Center, Configuration, General tab, Global Settings to appear here. Actions notifications are related to scheduled actions, and billing notifications are for payment execution and available invoices. Finally, network notifications determine whether or not you want your partners to receive direct messages sent by your network. Lastly, you can control the notification for direct message under the Advertiser User tab. We have now learned how to configure default notification settings for new network, partner, and advertiser users.